This honestly might be the best adjustable standing desk for music producers. Welcome back, my name is Jack. Thanks for tuning into the video. It's my goal to help creative music makers make better music at home. Now there's been some updates and changes to my home studio setup here since my last video, including brand new monitor speakers, brand new monitor stands, some brand new computer displays, as well as a brand new adjustable pneumatic standing desk that has taken over the centerpiece of my studio setup. And I want to talk to you a little bit more about that desk in particular in this video. As with all my product reviews, there will be links in the description for you to take a look at what I'm talking about, check the current price, and all that, so do check the video description if you're interested. Now, for some time, I've been playing with the idea of upgrading my main table or desk in my music studio. The one I've been using, I've had for a very long time. I got it at like an estate sale or a yard sale probably like 10 years ago, and it never was meant to be a music studio table. It's honestly pretty light and wobbly, which isn't a very good thing for a studio, but it served me well, but I think it was time to upgrade. And I was looking for a new desk, something a little sturdier, and I also kind of like the idea of something that maybe was a standing desk, because as music producers, we spend a lot of time working behind a screen, which often leads to a lot of time sitting down, which isn't the most healthy thing for our bodies. We should be up and moving and exercising, and sometimes when we're working long hours in the studio, that's just not possible. Well, getting something like a standing desk can really help reduce the strain or the stress on your body by giving you an opportunity to stand up and not spend so many hours sitting down. I was actually really blessed because around the same time, the company that makes this desk, Apex, reached out to me on Instagram, said that they saw my channel, they were a fan of what I was doing, and wanted to send me a desk for free to review and cover in one of my videos. Now, I'm not sponsored by Apex in any way. They're not paying me for this video. They simply said, hey, would you like a desk? We'll send it to you. Just make a video and share your honest opinions and thoughts about it. So they were nice enough to send me a free desk, but I get to tell you exactly what I think about it. And as always, you're gonna get my honest feedback. They're not paying to curate what I say. And you'll see in a little bit here, there are some things that I wish were different about the desk. Now, Apex sent me a few different things here. First, they sent me the main desk, which is the Apex Desk ALF 55 in the gray color. It's the movable sit-standing desk, and it does have that pneumatic height adjustment with the lever on the right-hand side there, which makes it adjustable from 29 inches to 48 inches, and the tabletop size on that is 55 by 29. I really like the rustic gray color on the top. I think it comes in black as well, but I picked the gray. I really like it, and it looks really good in a studio and complements a lot of the other studio equipment that I have in the room. Now, one complaint I did have with the desk is that 55 inches for the top is a little bit smaller than what I'm used to. I think the table I had before was at least 5 inches longer and wider than this Apex desk, so I did have to sacrifice a few things that I wasn't able to fit back on the table once I switched over. Now, other than that, I think it's a great table and it's really well made. The top seems really well made, and I don't think it's gonna peel or flake or scratch very easily. Like I said, I really do like the color, so I'm not complaining, but if it was a little bit larger, I think that would have been fantastic for my setup. Now, I know Apex does offer some other options as far as larger tabletops, electronic height adjustment, so you have to take a look at their website and see if there's a specific desk that might work best for your setup. Now, one feature I really do love about the desk is that it is movable, and they did this by incorporating wheels on the back of both of the bases. So pretty much all you have to do is grab the front edge of the desk, lift it up, and you can pull it out, get behind it if you want to clean, do cable management, all that kind of stuff, and then just simply lift it up and slide it back in, and it's super easy. Now, when Apex sent me this main desk, they also sent me a universal dual display desk-mounted monitor arm system, and this attaches to the back of the desk using a standard C-clamp that's compatible with pretty much any other table or desk that you have. They do also offer a single arm version, but this is the dual arm version, and this allows you to mount any flat or curved VESA compatible screens from 17 inches to 32 inches as long as they don't exceed 20 pounds on each arm. Now, both these arms are super durable, they're super sturdy, they're made of metal. I have no worries that they're not going to support the screens. Now, because the monitor arms are mounted to the desk itself, when the desk lifts, so do the screens, and that's super practical and functional if you want to do some editing or emails or any tedious work at the desk that doesn't involve sitting in the sweet spot of your monitor speakers. Now, Apex did send over one final product for me to review, and that is their Numatic 28-inch mobile rolling desk. Now, this is a really neat movable standing desk that has wheels on it, so you can roll it wherever you want. The base is made of brushed aluminum with 4 adjustable swivel casters. 2 have brakes so you can lock it so it doesn't move around. It's got great leg room if you're trying to sit in front of it. Now, the top is solid just like the main desk. They didn't have a gray option, so I wasn't able to get one that matched, but the black is equally as cool. And the top does have a slot for like an iPad or a tablet to kind of fit in there. So if you're doing a Zoom call or something like that, you don't need anything additional to prop up the device. Now, it really is easy to adjust the height, and they advertise anywhere from 33.5 to 45 inches just by pulling the hand lever and lifting it up and down. Now, I do have one complaint specifically if I was going to use this desk in the studio, and that is that it doesn't get low enough for me to really use it while I'm sitting at my normal height. It's great for standing. It does go pretty high, probably higher than I would want it to. I'm not a super tall person, but it does have a nice range of height, but the lowest height is just a little bit too high to use while sitting down. So if there was a way to make it a little bit lower, maybe as low as the main desk goes to start out with, that would be ideal for me. It's about 6 inches too high, and it does kind of make it a little inconvenient to use sitting down. But other than that, I think it's a great product, and it's going to be a great desk to have for editing, to move around. I like to use it just to throw stuff down when I come into the studio, video equipment, and all of that. So it's kind of a catch-all table in the studio right now until I find more of a specific use for it. Now, since these are their cheaper models, they feature the Numatic height adjustment, which is really similar to a regular office chair where you've got the little lever, you pull it up, and then you're able to adjust up and down using the weight of your body or the weight of the items on the desk. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that the desk, when I have everything on it that I normally use, it is a little hard to get it to move up and down. Down's a little easier than up. You kind of have to shimmy it and shake it a little bit, as you see here, to get it to move up. It does kind of feel like it gets stuck a little bit with the weight on there. So it's not the smoothest operation. It's definitely not something that's super inconvenient or that would bother me all that much. I honestly don't think I'm going to adjust it too often. If you're going to adjust it every single day, you might want to look at some of their more expensive electronic options. But for what it's worth, I don't think it's terribly inconvenient, but it isn't the most smooth operation, especially when you're trying to lift the desk. Once again, I do want to thank Apex Desk for sending out these products and asking me to do a review. Like I said, I'm not sponsored in any way. They're not paying me to say something specific, and I'm not making any money off of this video. They simply gave me the desk for free and asked me to share my thoughts with all of you. If you're looking for a new standing desk, I think Apex Desk is a great place to start your search. Once again, do check the description for links to Amazon and their website on all the products that I mentioned in this video. Go ahead and check them out for yourself and see if any of their products are right for your home studio setup. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a like so YouTube knows that it was a good video. And if you could, while you're down there, hit subscribe with the bell notifications on to stay up to date on all my future uploads. I've got a whole list of videos planned for you all, and there's going to be a lot coming your way in the next month. So thank you for your continued support, and as always, I hope to see you in my next upload. Peace.